All right, guys, this is Joe Farley. Hello, hello, hello. This is Joe Farley, your men's life coach. Hey, guys, I am here just to remind you of something that's important. I want you guys, for the ones who have children, okay, minor children, that still need to address your parenting time, your custody, any of those particular issues. You might already have the answers that you really need because there was a court order given on the time of your order being created. I'm talking about the child support order, the parenting time order, the custody order. That document is very important. Before you think that there's a problem that you can't get your children, what you really need to do is get a hold of a copy of your most recent court order. It would explain who has the custody in reference to physical custody. It also will explain who has the legal custody, okay? Majority of the cases that I've seen over the 16 and a half years that I've been educating and coaching fathers, majority of the cases on those court orders says that both parents have joint legal custody of the child, okay? You can get that from the courthouse. Just call them to get a copy of it, so therefore you can have that documentation. It's also important for you when you are having issues with, most of the time my fathers have issues with the mother, okay, where the mother is not allowing them to have their parenting time. And that is a huge, huge problem. So I want you guys to do this. Go to the courthouse or go online and order a copy of your most recent child support order. As a matter of fact, I think you probably should get the original one as well, because it could have changed over time, but the most recent court order is the one that the court is that everyone, the court must follow, the mother must follow that court order, and of course you guys have to follow it. But let me tell you one scary part that most men have is that you might have a court order, but you as a father have not been following the court order. But guess what? That doesn't mean you still cannot operate in that court order, because the court order is actually telling you what is supposed to happen between you and the mother and the court system and your children. So you need to get a copy of the most recent court order, okay, and operate in that. The other thing that's very important is this. Sometimes you want to go and take the mother to court and change the court order, but you already may have what you need. You just need to practice what is written. And that means that she has to practice it. Your teenage kids got to practice it. Matter of fact, remember this. I've heard many judges say, the kids don't control the orders of what happens in reference to the court system. The parents does. So the parents are in charge. When those kids say they don't want to come over, I'm going to tell you this. You're going to let them know, hey, I'm your parent. I want to sit down and talk with you and basically get some things back in order. And you might have to ask for some forgiveness. A lot of what needs to happen is that men just need to step up and address the issue one-on-one with those children and with the mother without hostility. If there's hostility, then you need to address it with the court, because that means that someone is violating the court order. Yep, could be you, but you can resolve that between the two parents. Resolve it. Write a letter, show proof that you've been trying to talk to the mom, talk to the kids, send them a gift, ask for forgiveness for not showing up the times that you didn't show up. But now it's time for you to show up. Get a copy of the most recent court order. Sometimes it's free, sometimes it could be in your basement, and sometimes it can also be something that you can actually just get from the court. Cost you maybe $10, $20, whatever. Find out what it costs and get a copy of the court order. This is Joe Farley, your men's life coach here at Friends of Fathers, where our motto is about strengthening men and empowering fathers. All right, I want you guys to go visit our website, sign up to get more information, register for our free upcoming workshops, and also for our paid workshops, so that you can actually get more information on how to navigate through the child support services, okay, or the child support system, okay. Again, this is Joe Farley, your men's life coach, principal men's life coach here at Friends of Fathers. All right, talk to you guys. God bless. That's friendsoffathers.com. Friendsoffathers.com. Have a blessed one.